Hello, welcome to my video on the 5 whys method for problem solving. I am Sheila Okoth and I help career professionals like you to use business writing as a powerful tool for influence, problem solving, and critical thinking in the workplace to boost your professional reputation and advance your career. Problem solving is critical in most, if not all, businesses and industries. For your problem solving skills to positively impact your career, you must identify the right problems to solve. So, what is 5 whys? It's a technique for systematically analyzing a problem to find the root cause or root causes and understand the relationship between the causes. Sakichi Toyoda, founder of Toyota Industries, developed this technique in the 1930s to probe below the surface of symptoms and get to the root cause of problems. So why would you ask why exactly 5 times? Although many root causes can be determined by the fifth why, keep in mind that 5 is only a suggested number of times to ask the question why. You can use the fifth why as a checkpoint. You won't know ahead of time how many times to ask why before you arrive at the root cause. The number of times you ask why will depend on when you identify the root cause. So why would you use the 5 whys method to investigate workplace problems? Many of the challenges you encounter as you work are symptoms of deeper issues. To effectively solve the problem, you must ask the right questions to delve deeper. The 5 whys technique will help you to identify the root cause of a problem and understand how the different causes of problems might be related. Once you fix the root cause, the problem should not recur. The basic steps in the 5 whys technique are as follows. First, clearly define the problem by asking who, what, when, where, and how. Then, ask why the problem has happened. Continue asking why until you identify the root cause. If the answer doesn't identify the root cause, ask why again. You'll know you've identified the root cause when asking questions doesn't yield any more useful information. This may take more or fewer than 5 whys. Remember to focus on the process aspects of a problem rather than the people involved. Blaming individuals does not solve problems. Human error is not an acceptable root cause for a workplace problem because people will make mistakes. Let's apply the 5 whys technique to the following scenario. Let's say you're a manager in an investment company and your team manages customer investment portfolios. Your team has consistently excelled for many years, but over the past 4 months, your company has been receiving customer complaints about how your team members are managing their investment portfolios. Some clients are threatening to take their business elsewhere. Your boss has asked you to evaluate these complaints and rectify the situation before the company loses business. To use the 5 whys to solve this problem, you would start by asking why your customers are dissatisfied. Because they aren't happy with the returns they're getting on their investments. And why aren't your customers making as much money as they'd like? Because you have inexperienced staff on your team that are managing customer investment portfolios. And why are inexperienced team members managing customer investment portfolios? Because it's been difficult to retain more experienced team members. Why has it been difficult to retain experienced team members? Because the experienced team members have left the company in the past few months. And why are they leaving the company? Because competitor companies are offering better pay and shorter work days. There are advantages and disadvantages to the 5 whys method of problem solving. The advantages include that it's an effective way to get to the root cause of a problem, it's easy to implement, and you can apply the technique to various business problems. The disadvantages of the 5 whys method are that depending on the number of whys, you risk either going too deep into the weeds or not delving far enough to uncover the root cause of a problem. Also, different people may arrive at various answers for a specific why based on their experiences and perspective on the situation. The 5 whys method works best if you and others that are participating in the activity are technically competent and or have the right experience to address the problem. Once you've identified the root cause or root causes of the problem, the next step is to come up with ideas for solutions to eliminate the root causes. Techniques for formulating ideas for solutions include brainstorming, brainwriting, and mind mapping. I will discuss these methods in later videos. In summary, the 5 whys technique is one way to determine the root cause of a problem. The 5 whys process involves asking why at least 5 times until you get to the root cause of an issue. If this information was helpful, please click the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends. Also, check out my other videos by clicking on the links in the description section below. Thanks for watching.